Now, perhaps this is the smallest equipment in construction, but powerful enough to take on the mighty where they cannot go. The best skid steer brand of 2021 goes to Doosan. A very big congratulations to the team at Doosan for winning this prestigious award.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Construction Week and Jury for having awarded us as the best skid steer loader brand for 2021. I also want to take this opportunity to thank our Bobcat skid steer loader customers especially. Bobcat has been a pioneer and has been offering some amazing solutions for construction equipment industry with the skid steer loader and various unique attachments. We are really proud that many of our skid steer loaders machines have worked in rural road construction, ensuring last mile connectivity for the enterprising people of India. Bobcat will make every endeavor to be the best of the best in terms of performance and quality. Thank you.